1513.1. Our position, orbiting planet M113. On board the Enterprise, Mr. Spock, temporarily in command. On the planet, the ruins of an ancient and long-dead civilization. Ship Surgeon McCoy and myself are now beaming down to the planet's surface. Our mission, routine medical examination of archaeologist Robert Crater and his wife Nancy. Routine, but for the fact that Nancy Crater is that one woman in Dr. McCoy's past. Captain's log, additional. Armed and able-bodied crewmen are not attacked and slaughtered this easily. Apparently the killer can immobilize them as it approaches, perhaps with some hypnotic or paralyzing power. The answer lies with Professor Crater. Captain's log, continuing. The Enterprise has been invaded by a creature capable of assuming any form, and with the capacity to paralyze and draw the life from any one of us. Captain Kirk to dispensary. 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 Captain's log, additional. Armed and able-bodied crewmen are not Captain's log, stardate 1513.1. Our position, orbiting planet M113. On board the Enterprise,